like let's say I have 1 month UK license without no claim, and that's how I get out. How much approximately different type of cars.
Yeah.
Change. Also this Mazda RX, Mazda 6. Insurance group is 8. For that reason, it's not that expensive for you, of course. It's amazing, but for me, where are you going?
Oh, just go. This is the trouble. This is why you have to really accelerate quite hard when you get there. People doing stuff like that. It's dangerous, you know. Follow him over.
Because I see.
Well, that's what I mean. You saw him there.
Yeah.
The thing to do is accelerate. Don't stop.